On July 2nd, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop on a truck due to expired registration and tags. The driver stated he was transporting belongings from one state to another. When officers proceeded to have the vehicle towed, the driver became combative, jumping onto the back of the truck, yelling and physically resisting in an attempt to prevent the tow.
He's going back to Philly, he does events for Brooklyn and concerts and all that. He said he just bought the car off the back. The guy didn't give him the plates. There's no plates on the van. Front plate. He doesn't have the reg, doesn't have the insurance. He's trying to get pictures of it now. He's talking to the guy, but can't help him. Yeah.
What's happening, man? No plates on the car at all? Alright, so the car's not registered then, right?
He just said, yeah, it's right in March, he said. So I came from Philly, I just bought the car. So I guess, I don't know, so in Philadelphia, you only place in the front, I placed in the back. I guess I was packing up, I don't know what happened, but the plates aren't on anymore.
Alright.
I got my license, good.
Okay.
That way I can unload my thing safely and get, you guys in total, stuff like that.
No, you can't even drive the car at all. Can't even drive the car at all.
Why? Why?
Because it's not registered. It's not registered. You don't have insurance on the car.
So for that reason I can't drive it?
I'm sorry?
So for that reason I can't drive it, you saying?
Yeah. No, I didn't pull you over. The officer pulled you. I'm pretty sure that's what he was saying to you, right? What do you got tickets for? Is it the registration and the insurance? You can't drive a car unregistered. Like, God forbid you get into an I know it's right there, but still.
You guys are here right now watching some supervising it.
Yeah, but regardless, we technically we're not supposed to let you drive it. It's just you just can't. Everything's recording on camera, and you can't do that. Hey, let me see what this officer says.
Boss, if it makes it easier, when the tow gets here and they tow this, we can leave everything on it. You go to the tow yard, and whoever comes and picks you up or whatever, you can load it into their car from the tow lot. Instead of taking all that off, having you wait here on the side of the road, loading it back up on the side of the road. We're going to tow it to Moran Towing in Kearney. It's probably 5-10 minutes away from you. It's either they tow it there and you unload it there, or you unload it here and someone come get you, but that's really only two options. But either way, we have to take the car.
So I can see
I got you.
So there's no way it's right here. I'm just waiting.
There's no way, man. There's no insurance on the car.
You guys just stopped me off the highway.
So I tried. I thought of that too. Can't keep the cars on even sure.
Yeah, if I was stopped on the main road,
okay.
What would have been? If you would have been anything?
No, we would have told you have to unload everything, and we're gonna take the car, or same thing, take the car to the tow yard that's gonna come and get it, and then you can unload it there. I mean, if it wasn't expired from 2022, I mean, I'd say try and register it now, but then there's still no insurance on the car. Boss, I asked you, now I'm telling you, step out of the car. So, step out of the car.
Come on, he has to take the car, man. Come on.
You gotta step out of the car. Look, you don't step out of the car now, you're in trouble. Step out of the car. Step out of his Congress. You know, if it's not registered, it's not insured. Just take my car. That's the penalty. Boss, I'm telling you one more time. Step out of the car.
Sir, if you don't get out the car, we're gonna take you out the car by force. Right?
You're gonna be charged with obstruction. Justice right now. We're trying to take your car. I'm giving you a direct order to step out of the vehicle and you're still sitting here. No, I've told you several times now. Step out.
I'm not trying to stop my car. I'm not going to hit
All right, well, all this ticket stuff, you can do it outside the car. You ain't gotta sit in here and do it. Step out of the car. You can read it and then stand on the side of the road.
All right, so we're not gonna keep repeating it, all right?
Go again, Tiffany.
I'll do it outside the car.
We got one more chance to step out the car, then we're gonna have to pull you out.
No, so you're refusing to get out? All right, we're gonna pull you out. You wanna step out within the next 10 seconds?
Told you more than 10 times already.
Gotta get out.
Guys, leave the car key itself. You can take on the other keys.
What?
I just leave the key to the vehicle so you don't have to drag this and fuck up the axles and all that. So how we can just drive it on.
Can't get an Uber.
You can get an Uber.
You get Uber?
To go myself.
Go. Like he said, you can get that tomorrow. They're not releasing it to you tonight.
12:30 at night.
You come back when they open up, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. That's when they say you can come and get it.
Are you ready?
I don't know. You guys like all right.
I'm not gonna do it right here on the side of the road.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm asking.
Listen, man, it's 12:30 at night. Your car's about to get sold. Now you want to start moving stuff around. It's not gonna happen. The stuff that's back there is gonna stay back there. That's it. All right, so step on the sidewalk, because now you're in the way of the guy trying to take your car. Come on, move over.
I've been quiet this whole time. I just want to put something inside the car. Now you guys have
You can do that tomorrow.
We don't got time for that right now. 12:30, we're on the shoulder. Come on.
I asked you to step out before and all that. You said, no, I gotta pay my tickets and this and that. I said, okay,
I was reading what you sent me.
Alright, well, I asked you to step out multiple times.
You didn't even tell me. You said I can't even do that.
Step over.
Step on the side of the road.
It takes 2 seconds. You can't even put it inside.
When officers attempted to initiate the tow, the man became increasingly resistant and insisted on placing more items into the back of the truck, despite having been given multiple opportunities to do so earlier. Once officers informed him that it was no longer allowed, the situation began to escalate.
You told me already.
Boss, get the key to the car. So you can drive off the right.
Complying this whole time.
Boss, we're not putting all this in the car right now. Boss, we're not putting this in the car right now. Leave the car.
Just leave it in the car, man.
You're gonna get charged with obstruction right now.
Obstruction of what?
Justice. We're telling you right now that we're taking
Put it back in the car.
He can take it.
Give
He
me
can
the key
take
and I'm
it.
selling.
He can take it.
Come on,
Just
lock
don't
them.
touch me. Don't over there. Don't touch
You're gonna
me.
put your stuff right here.
I'm gonna put it in the car right
He's gonna
here.
tow the car. We don't want the car to hit you. Over here.
These cars we have to start moving.
I've been complying this whole time. Doesn't take my truck.
You've been sitting in this car this entire time until we got
I've been
here.
patient talking the whole time, right?
I'm not the one driving around with the truck that's not ready.
And I'm not asking you anything, right? I'm saying, can I put this stuff in my truck?
No, cannot. The truck
Why?
start moving. That's why.
It's not moving right now, right?
He's underneath the truck. It's about to start.
The truck is not moving.
When you were sitting here on the shoulder all this time, you could have put all this in the car, man.
You did not give me the option to do that.
Good. It's too late. We're not doing this.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, what's up?
Strap that back in for it falls.
Because you guys can't, right? I'm still in the same spot, bro.
What? Put on the side of the road. We're not putting your car.
I'm on the side of the road.
Put on the side of the road. Put on this. I'm trying to help you, dog. Put on the side of the road. Put it on the side of the road.
Hello? What's up?
He's pulling the truck right now, man.
Start moving, man. Whatever falls off, falls off.
Hello? Don't worry about it.
Wait,
Go.
don't touch the truck.
Yeah, hello? I'm not hurting nobody, bro.
No, leave the truck. Leave the rest of the truck.
Alright, step over there. Relax. Step over there. Big
Big
issue. Relax.
It takes 2 seconds for me to do that. I've
You
been
could have done that
told.
earlier. You could have done that earlier.
You guys had me in the car. I couldn't get out the car.
Earlier. Relax.
You had me in the car. How can I do it earlier? What's that make any sense to you?
No plate.
I understand that. I've been complying with this whole time.
Listen,
you were not.
buy the product.
How am I not complying?
We're not
Buy the product right here the first time. You never be in this problem.
Whatever. Y'all think you got a job? I'm getting. You get paid $60,000 an hour, $70,000 a year. That's it, bro. Nothing but respectful this whole time. I asked him one request. Come on. Did I do anything wrong? I asked him one request. Can you? I said, yo, can I please put this stuff inside the car? No. I understand why people hate y'all. What's wrong with you? Fat ass fucking mouth, man.
Yo, look, get off the truck. Look, get off.
Hey, you can't.
Get off the truck. Get off the truck.
Stop resisting. Don't resist. Don't resist.
Stop resisting.
Don't resist. Don't resist. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting right now. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Yeah, close my trunk.
Bro, get on your stove.
60 taser deployed.
I'm fine. I'm turning around. I'm turning around. I'm turning around.
Stop resisting.
I'm turning
Stop
around.
resisting before you get it again. They tase you again. Stop. You get it again.
I'm not doing anything.
Get off your
Put
arm.
your other hand behind your
What
back.
am I
Get off your arm.
Put your other hand behind your
I
back.
cannot because you guys are on me.
Stop resisting.
Boss,
I'm putting my pants
Stop
on.
resisting.
you don't need to tighten your fucking pants for that.
I'll let you guys get my phone.
Leave him there. Leave him there.
Can I please close
Leave
my
him there.
door? Look at it. I thought I asked you. I asked you guys 10 times. No, I don't want to why you guys like this. I don't understand. God.
Real quick, bro. You have the right to remain silent? And you can say what the hell against you up in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him represent while you are being questioned. You can afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question you wish. Decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Have these rights to allow you wish to speak?
Right, we got him in custody. He's handcuffed.
Relax. I'm calm. I have nothing.
I'm gonna sit you up.
I'm gonna set myself up. I'm fine. Please stop touching me.
Gotta take these out of here.
I'm just searching.
Listen, man, the time for resisting is over, all right?
Why are you taking? You're taking my money.
I'm not stealing anything.
You're
Stop,
just
dude.
quiet.
Stop, bro.
Because we have to take this out.
Stop.
You're taking my money.
And it's all coming with you. It's gonna be put in your pocket. What's the shit?
Why you have to take my money? See, I'm looking at you guys. Why are you taking my money?
You gotta take everything out of your pockets.
Go with a wire.
Take the wire. I don't care about the wire. Let her take my money.
Not taking your money.
and flip it in your bag.
Hold it up. That's all.
Let me tell you, stop touching the truck.
You're doing the same thing
What
that
I told you, stop touching the truck. Jump on the bed of the truck.
If you let me know,
We told you to stop.
seriously,
We
if
told
you
you to
let me,
stop touching your truck. We told you to get off the truck. You don't want to listen.
I was talking the whole time, right, inside the car. Was I not complying with
Yeah.
the whole thing?
And how many
Everything.
times I asked you to step out the car as well?
Because
And
I'm
once
trying
you
to
were
read-
told that
I'm
this is
trying to
what was
read-
going to happen,
tell you
that's
once.
when everything changed.
I tried
told
to
you
read.
once and I said-
I tried to.
You don't have to. Like I told you, this is right here. Read ticket.
I don't know what is going on. I bought this car a couple weeks ago, right? I have no idea what's going on.
Right,
Do
and
you
we're trying to
understand
explain to you, you can't drive around with an
that? I
unregistered,
not
uninsured
understand. I was
car.
compliant the
And I
whole
told you,
time.
you have no insurance.
I was compliant the whole
You don't
time.
let me talk. You said you don't know what's going on. I'm trying to tell you, you're talking. The car has no insurance. There's no license plates on the car.
I agree. Just okay, cool.
And then when the tow truck got here, I said, step out of the car so they can take it. I repeated to you several times, step out of the car, step out of the car, step out of the car.
Okay, and I was reading the ticket that you gave me,
All right,
right?
you don't have to sit inside that car with the tow truck sitting there waiting to take it. Come out here and read the ticket.
You gave me a ticket.
You don't have to sit inside that car. I'm not sitting there fucking arguing with you. All right? It's simple. So,
He was subsequently charged with resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and driving without a valid license. After being tased during the encounter, he was transported from the scene by ambulance for medical evaluation.